In this video, I will show you how to make a custom pick list field. A pick list shows your users a list of values they can choose from when entering data into the record page. To make a custom pick list, we just need to click the Setup gear and select Edit Object. In the Object Manager, we will click Fields and Relationships. Here we can see a list of all the fields for this object. We will click New to make a new field. Step 1 is selecting the field's data type. We will select Picklist. The next step is to give the pick list a label. I'm going to make a pick list that shows the status of my batch, so I call it Batch Status. I then select Enter Values to enter the values I want to appear in this pick list. I can set the first value as the default value when new records are created. I can also make this field a required field, meaning when a new record is made, the user must enter a value for this field. I will then press Next. Here I can choose what type of users can see this field. I will allow all and click Next. I can then select what page layouts will have this field. There is only one, so I click Save. Now my pick list is made, I just need to add it to my page layout. I can do this back in Lockbox. I will just need to click the Setup gear and click Edit Page. Now I am in the page editor. I will click Fields on the left and find my pick list. I then drag and drop this field into my Field section. I will press Save and return to Lockbox. And now we can see the pick list and all the values within it on our record page. This demonstration showed you how to make a custom pick list field in Lockbox Limbs.